Do not buy consoles from eBay. There's too many dishonest people out there. Bought this board to upgrade my dryer, and then it has to do this bullshit. Fisher&Paykel, you let me down. I hate these dishonest people. These dishonest punks. This piece of crap. I'm about ready to throw this board in the hot tub. I'm gonna throw this board in the hot tub. Big piece of shit. It's worthless. Why should I even return it? So I can sell it to another. So I can scam another person out of their money. Just watch this. I put the normal board back on. And I cycle the power. It's off. Watch this. Wow, it works. Oh, I didn't push that down. That was weird. So why is this working? Do not buy consoles from eBay. Save your money. Get them from a reputable parts place.